Well, the Cuda looking good after a new paint job, and those moon rims look sweet. But how's the interior doing? Let's take a look. Well, it's starting to show its age. I don't like where the gauges are. The dash starting to bubble and crack, and the door panels are discoloring. I gave the guys down at National Moparts a call. They hooked me up with a new dash, the correct Mopart interior color, headlight switches and heater control, as long with all my interior needs. It's time for disassembly. I carefully removed my dash instrument panel, the dash pad, seats and interior panels, along with all the trim and headliner. I clean and prep my trim and door panels, and paint them with SEM Super White, and recoat my console and kick panels with semi-gloss black. The dash looks really good, that it came from a place called Ultimate Rides, Superior Dash in New York. My instrument panel looks really good. I restored it a few years ago, but now I want to put my autometer temperature and oil pressure gauges behind the bezel. It's time to assemble. But first, let's get rid of that old Kenwood 10-pack CD player and put it with the 8 tracks and update to something more modern.
It's a highway scream, high-octane fury tearing at the seams. In this old machine, hearts pound fast, living in the moment, can't slow the blast. Pedal to the metal, power racing the skies. Feel the fire in my soul, bright and high. Retro steel and chrome blending old and new. Burning rubber stories trails through the dew. Fuels and sweat mixed in the air.